Mr. Plum,
Yes, my darling.
were you bartending the night at the electric room when Miss Scarlet died?
Yes, I was serving very good drink. Lead 2 nitrate solution, molarity of 0.2 and 2.30.
Miss White, were you bartending the night that Miss Scarlet died?
Oh yes, darling. I was making my fancy drink of potassium iodide with molarity from a range of 0.05 to 0.15.
Mr. Green, what was that?
Come closer.
Were you bartending the night that Miss Scarlet died?
Yes, I was. I was making my world famous drink of solution lead 2 nitrate between 0.05 and 0.15 molarity.
Mrs. Peacock. Mrs. Peacock,
Oh, yes?
were you bartending the night that Miss Scarlet died?
Let me just check. Yes?
And what were you making? What was your drink that night?
I was making stable administering potassium iodide solution that was greater than 0.2 molarity.
Colonel Mustard,
Yes,
were you bartending the night that Miss Scarlet died?
I was bartending. I was making a drink of lead 2 nitrate in excess of 0.3 molarity.
To figure out what our murder weapon was, we mixed some of our murder weapon from the test tube number 3 with potassium iodide and some with the lead 2 nitrate. When it reacted with the potassium iodide, we knew that it was the lead 2 nitrate.
During our experiment, we masked the filter paper before and after both of our trials. And the difference between the mask before and after for trial 1 was 0.13 grams, and for the second was 0.18 grams. And then using our beautiful stoichiometry, we came up with 2 different molarities. And after talking with our awesome teacher, we found that our second trial, the 0.391 molarity, was right.
When we masked the filter paper and subtracted the original mass of the filter paper from the solid plus the filter paper for our second trial, we got 0.18 grams of PBI2. We used our train tracks and multiplied it by 1 mole of PBI2 over 461 grams of PBI2, which is its molar mass. And then with the 1-to-1 mole ratio of PBI2 and PbNO32, we were able to find out that 3.906 e to the negative 4th moles of PbNO32 are in this. And then using our molarity equation, we divided that over 0.001 liters because we used 1 milliliter of the PbNO32 to get our molarity of 0.391.